Hi, good morning.
Hello, good afternoon. We started at 12 o'clock. No, we started at
12:10
12:10.
from Madigir, and we are going to Bangalore.
We're going to Bengaluru. The weather is beautiful, the roads are awesome, so the ride should not be a problem. 4 hours 51 minutes of driving. It is 261 kilometers. Shouldn't be a problem because look at the weather. It's beautiful. Last night, yesterday, the best part is the pool activity we did. It was a bonding activity, kind of a thing.
Yeah.
We were bonding.
We couldn't get into the pool for a long time because apparently a frog chose to swim
No,
before
not
us.
apparently. It was right in front of us.
Right in, yeah. And our Chintu
Rahul, alias Chintu.
is scared of frogs.
So he couldn't get into the pool. We took at least 1 to 2 hours time just to get into the pool.
Yeah. Already the temperature outside was 17-16 degrees. And inside the pool, it's definitely below 10 degrees.
Oh God. No, it was not below 10.
Hey,
It
come
was
on.
not below 10.
Hey, come on, Ray, please.
It
Ray.
was maybe,
Hey, please, Ray. Please, Ray.
and
Hey,
it was raining.
Hey, please, Ray.
And it was raining.
Please, Ray. Hey,
It was drizzling.
I call her Rakshasi for a reason. Nothing affects her. She becomes immune just like that.
But no, yesterday I was struggling to stay in the pool. I was taking dips so that at least if I'm wet, I don't feel in the water. Maybe for that bit.
There is no wind and wind. Kada.
Oh my God.
You know, recently after this good, bad, ugly movie, this nostalgic song Tottu Tottu Pesam is trending all over.
Is a song that is trending.
That made me watch the old song,
The original
classic,
song, the
original
actual song.
Of course, nobody can match Simran.
Oh no, please don't.
Nobody can match
No,
Simran.
never.
I want to talk about Simran, and I want us to talk about Simran.
We are here right now in front of camera to talk about our gorgeous actress Simran. I say when I was little, at some point we all are little, no? My dad used to take us in India. This is before we left to the US. In India, my dad used to take us to movies every Sunday, Saturday, etc. And a lot of Simran movies were releasing then, like Kalsum Namra,
Daddy,
Daddy.
a lot. She was star
Many
heroine.
films,
at the time.
yeah. And I always loved watching her on screen. You know why?
Bounce.
Yes. I used
Grace.
to wait for the dance number to come. All like dialogue, story, comedy, love story, none of that mattered to me. I was excited to watch Simran dance in every movie that she's in. Especially in Kalsum Namra only. Kalsum Namralo Nachindi Pala Pitta Ammo Andulo when she enters the screen. Fida, the makeup, the red gold, maroon gold costume that she wears, her lipstick and like her hair and everything, I loved every second of it. I don't think we need to think too much to dress Simran up. She looks good in everything. She looks good in a sari, a lehenga, a gagra, jeans. In Tottu Tottu Pesam Sultana, she's wearing jeans and she's wearing a blouse. After her, I think Ileana is the next person who looked good in that combination.
Yeah.
Nobody in between looks good in that. It feels so vulgar. It feels so trashy. It doesn't look good on anybody. No matter how many actresses have tried that. Jeans and the blouse combination, nobody else can pull it off.
Low waist jeans is after Simran. Low waist jeans was trended for a really long time after Simran.
And the confidence she has. Just one look like this, and you know. And you know she's the heroine, and she knows she's the heroine, and everybody on the set knows she's the heroine, and everybody in the audience knows she's the heroine. I want her to do as many movies as possible.
In one interview, she was asked, which industry do you like to work with? I think she's from
Chennai. No, she's North Indian.
She's North Indian. I don't remember. I think
That's
she's
why her
from
name is
Mumbai.
Simran, obviously.
Mumbai or something. But she mentioned Chennai is home. Chennai is the place where I started my work. So I would always prefer to work in Tamil movies. That's a wonderful answer. There are so many actors who just used some stages of some languages they could get popular in other stages.
That's okay. See, growth is fine, man.
Yeah, but
That is not a problem.
disrespecting the previous chances and all, bad mouthing
See,
the industry that
I
gave you
feel,
birth.
I think that is give you birth. They also got something back from it. The industry also got a lot of money from them. We have commodified a lot of actresses. There are multiple experiences multiple people have,
Okay.
and it could be the most precious, the most beautiful culture, everything. But me as a person might not have to like it. Although I start there, although I love the people there, if someone asks me and I don't have good experiences there, I can be like, although I started there, I don't think its people are good. But no, I think something else is my
That's
home.
Yeah. Yeah.
And those experiences, especially when you're beginning, that matters. People start at 18 years, 16 years. They might have been exploited. We wouldn't know.
Fair enough.
At such a young age, their bodies are commodified, everything is monetized. A lot of times there is no consent being taken about what they can show, what they cannot show, etc., etc., etc.
Fair enough.
I don't think a lot of people should be comfortable with it. If they are not, they don't have to tell, they don't have to force themselves to tell that they were comfortable with it.
Okay.
It's nice if they say, I love it. I love it here. Telugu cinema is my home, and Chennai cinema is whatever it is. And they can be like, no, I don't want to be there anymore. Now the growth is there and I've moved on from there. That's also fair, I feel.
Sure. మొన్న కనిపించావు ఆమె సాంగ్ కదా.
Our song.
My-
మొన్న కనిపించావు
మై మరచిపోయాను అందాలతో నన్ను తోట్లు పొడి చేశావు. As we're speaking about Simran, I was reminded of Sonali Bindre. She did only 4 films, all super duper hit Telugu movies, and she went. She did all movies with all stars, and she's like, okay, bye. Live with these movies, keep singing my songs till you die. And she went.
She's so charismatic. I love her. I love all her films, all of her. I like Murari. I love Murari. Sir, Vamsi sir's film is gorgeous.
Yeah.
She looked her most beautiful in Murari.
Yeah. Especially in all those plain sarees, dude.
All.
Chappamma in that song. Blue, red. How can a woman look beautiful in all shades? There is something
All colors,
called, tones ఉంటాయి కదా.
ఆ టోన్స్ లోనే ఆమె సూటబుల్ టోన్స్ తీసుకున్నారు.
Okay.
No. She's gorgeous, man.
She's gorgeous.
She's gorgeous. Murari, Indra, Radhe Govinda part.
Khadgam.
Oh, Khadgam also is there.
See, in Indra movie, Veena step is very famous. When Chiranjeevi is in the frame, usually our eyes goes only to him. Sonali Bindre is just grooving her body. But I think
Everybody saw Sonali
Bindre also.
Also కాదు, I only saw her.
Arey, Veena step come on.
Arey, you talk for yourself, let me talk for myself. You see, I don't see. I only saw Sonali Bindre.
Chiranjeevi, hardcore fan of Chiranjeevi. Entire family. Okay.
No,
okay.
he's really graceful. I'm not saying he's not, okay? He has his own thing. I'm talking about Sonali right now.
Okay.
I was unable to bat my eye. I did not want to look away from her. I loved her costumes. All the songs, all the costumes in Manmadudu and in Indra, those bootcut pants with cut still top. Just like Simran, the beauty of Sonali Bindre is that she can carry anything. I wish Sonali Bindre also, like Simran, picks up films and starts acting in them more and more. And I wish she does Telugu films.
Yeah.
And since she worked with Krishnavamsi sir twice, I just wish Krishnavamsi sir and Sonali Bindre make a film.
Collaborates.
Yeah, they collaborate again. నువ్వు నవ్వుతుంటే ఎంత చూడముచ్చటైనా ఏడిపించబుద్దవుతుంది ఎట్టాగైనా ముద్దుగానే ఉంటావేమో మూతి ముడుచుకున్నా కాస్త కసుమలవే ఎంత కవ్వించినా చెప్పమ్మ చెప్పేసి అంటుంది ఓ మామాటం. We stopped at a restaurant. Maddie is eating idli sambar. Rahul is going to have chai and he's not going to eat anything. Why are you not eating anything, Rahul?
I don't want to eat solids.
Why, Rahul?
Solids are too heavy, man. Liquids are good.
Right, I ordered chole and bhature and they gave me one big. Let us taste this. You don't even want to taste try this one?
Chelia, 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 la la la. దారిలో ఎదురు చూస్తున్నా కనవు నదిలో మునిగి ఉన్న చెమట తడిలో తడిసిపోతున్నా మెరిసేటి పువ్వా సిరిమువా వెనవేసుకోవనా తోడు రావా నాశ భాష వీడవా వేలో నీ గుండెపై నన్ను కబళించనీవా హాయిగా నీ చూపుతో నన్ను చలికాయనీవా సఖియా 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 నా ముందు కత్తులో హద్దులో ఉండవ
శృంగార వీరా శృంగార వీరా రణధీరా నాజ్ఞతో నీ నా తోడు రారా నాశ ఘోష వినరా ఒడి పంచుకోరా వెచ్చని నా శ్వాసలో నువ్వు చలి కాచుకోరా మదనా మదనా వీరా
లేదు.
ఎంత గ్రేట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ కదా అది. ఆ టైం కి రజనీకాంత్ వాస్ ఎంత పెద్ద హీరో, ఒక ఫీమేల్
ఆవిడ చేయనన్నారంట.
తెలుసు, ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ చూసాను. But then the thought itself is pretty experimental and great that they all have accepted. And anta tension ఏంటిది ఇంత ఛాలెంజింగ్ గా చెస్ గేమ్ లాగా చాలా తక్కువ.
నీలాంబరి
వెరీ పవర్ఫుల్ క్యారెక్టర్.
నో ఉమెన్ డిడ్ అ క్యారెక్టర్ వేర్ షీ ఈస్ అబ్సెస్డ్ విత్ అ మ్యాన్ సో మచ్ రే. అన్ని ఉమెన్ మీద అబ్సెషన్సే గానీ ఆవిడ అబ్సెషన్ నుంచి పగకెళ్తుంది అది.
అవును. ఆమె వాడిని పిలిచినప్పుడు, ఆమె రజనీకాంత్ ని ఇంటికి పిలిచినప్పుడు చైర్స్ అన్ని వెకెట్
చేసేస్తుంది. అవును,
అక్కడ చేరేసుకుని కూర్చుంటది. తను ఇవాళ వల్ల కింద లాగారు. బట్ చెస్ గేమ్ రే.
బట్ షీ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్స్ హి వుడ్ డు దట్. ఆమె చేయడం కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాడో చూద్దాం అన్నట్టు చేస్తుంది ఆమె కూడా.
అవునవును, అంతే. మళ్ళీ క్లైమాక్స్ కూడా మారిపోతాను అన్నట్టుగా నేను మారను. Kill herself and
she
die
died like a queen. She never changed.
Crazy అది.
Crazy. మగవాడిలో మగసరి నీలో చూసా అంతే వచ్చినా నాకు.
అయ్యో.
జీవించంగా నీకొక అవకాశమే నీ తాక మిగిలిన పాలు నువ్వు తాకి జీవించంగా మోక్షము పొందును తర్వాత
ఆమె డ్రెస్ కూడా మస్తు ఉంటుంది కదా.
రాళ్ళతో చేశారు.
చిన్న టెంపుల్స్ పెడతారు ఓన్లీ ఫర్ రిచ్ పీపుల్ రే. ఒక్కొక్కటి టచ్ చేస్తే
అరే చింటూ విత్ ఇన్ ఇయర్ రా, గుర్తుంచుకో ఈ దారి, గుర్తుంచుకో ఆ రాళ్ళు గుర్తుంచుకో.
నువ్వు
రాడిసన్ మందే.
రోజు ఒక రూమ్ లో ఉంటాం.
ఒకవేళ మనం ఆ స్వీట్ రూమ్ ఎవరన్నా బుక్ చేసుకొని ఉన్నా గానీ మనం వస్తున్నాం అనగానే మేడం 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 అని చెప్పేసి పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ పైకి వెళ్ళి ఖాళీ చెప్పించేసి వాళ్ళకి వేరే రూమ్ ఇచ్చేది మనకు రూమ్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. అట్లా ఓన్లీ 5 minutes. కాలు మీద కాలేసుకొని అక్కడ ఉన్న చీరలన్నీ తీపిచ్చేసి బాగుంది కదా ఊహించుకోవడానికి. మరి చెప్పరా
నెంబర్ లో కూర్చుంటావు, ఖాళీ చేసి తీసుకొస్తాడు వాళ్ళని. కానీ వాళ్ళని చూసి నీకేదో
జాలి హృదయం,
మంచి వాళ్ళే ఉన్నారని.
కానీ నీరామరి మారదు.
తీసుకెళ్ళండి, నాకు వేరే రూమ్ ఇవ్వండి అంటావు.
అంటనా
పుణ్యం మేడం, థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం అని వాళ్ళ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళిపోతావు, నువ్వు వేరే రూమ్.
రాడిసన్లో పుణ్యం మేడం అంటారు.
ఫారినర్ పుణ్యం మేడం అంటారు.
కేజీ. ఓకే, అది పక్కన పెట్టేద్దాం, మనం కొంచెం మనం చిల్ అవుదాం.